If you want to fix disconnecting error in Marvel Rivals, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, make sure that you have a strong or powerful connection in order to fix that problem. Next, what you're gonna do, if you are using Epic Games or Xbox app or application or PS5 or Steam in my case, you can just go ahead and close it and reopen it again and try joining the lobby or room, right, to play on on a online game. So basically, what you're gonna do, let's say for example, this is Steam. I'm gonna click the right mouse and then click quit and reopen it again, and that should fix whatever problem that your middle app have caused. Maybe there is a problem in the third party apps like Steam or Xbox or even Epic Store. So this is very common. So make sure that you close and reopen it again, and as we showed you earlier, and then you're gonna be able to join in. You're gonna be able to join online games, and you will not have any problems. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.